I'm Lise from Surmulerum. When we went plant-based about 8 years ago, there were still some food items that were really difficult to replace. Andy had a craving for bacon, so much so that he often took a 100-kilometer bike ride just to go to a certain cafe to get a bacon sandwich. I was determined to find a way to make a plant-based version, so I tried all sorts of recipes with aubergine and seitan and tofu and some other things, but none of them really hit the spot. It was only when I started making my own tofu and could make it extra firm that I finally nailed that chewy texture that Andy really liked. The flavour was also tricky. I was after that intense, smoky, salty, fatty flavour, while at the same time staying moist. But no matter how long I marinated the tofu, it always seemed to come out too dry. I finally nailed it though, and in this video I'll show you how I make it now. If you missed the video about how I made my own firm tofu, you can click on the link up there or in the description below to watch that one. We are Andy and Lise, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. Please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. This is the extra firm tofu I made in the previous video. For the tofu bacon sandwiches, I cut about 3 mm thick slices. I lay them on a tea towel and press the water out of them. For the flavours, I mix 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, with 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, I also prepare 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. I grind it with a pestle to make the flakes into a powder. Set the flavourings aside by the cooker. In a large frying pan, heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then place the unflavoured tofu slices to fry for about 5 minutes on each side. Turn them several times. Unlike many recipes, I fry the tofu first and then cook the flavour into it. I find that I get the best concentrated flavour that way. When the tofu is nice and golden on both sides, pour the liquid smoked soy sauce mixture over the slices and make sure they get evenly coated. Turn the slices so that the liquid can soak in on the other side too. Let it cook while turning several times until the liquid has been absorbed into the tofu. Then sprinkle half of the nutritional yeast over the slices, turn them, and sprinkle the other side too. After turning several times, I usually give the tofu a spoonful of coconut oil to keep it moist. If you are avoiding too much oil, you can skip this step, but the end result will be a little drier. As Andy is quite a skinny one, I'm not worried about him getting a little extra oil, and it does give it that juicy, bacony feel. I've made some sourdough bread, which is lovely with the tofu bacon. You can put your own favorite toppings on it. And he absolutely loves it. No more bike rides to that particular greasy cafe.
Bacon.
Sometimes I also use tofu bacon for our dinner. I slice it a little thicker, about 4 to 5 millimeters. I use the same flavorings, soya sauce, liquid smoke and nutritional yeast. Pop some potatoes in the oven to bake and fry the bacon in the same way as for the sandwiches, only a little longer. The rest is the same. Then serve it with a salad, baked potato and some broccoli, and it tastes great. In the next video, I'll show you how I turn the tofu into tofu jerky. A must-have on camping, bike rides, or just a snack when you feel peckish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything,